2, 1.
Wow! Hello everyone, my name is Bắp. Today I talking about sound. Sushi, kimbap. Do you like kimbap or sushi?
I like both. I like both of them.
I too. Me too. Kitten. Do you like kitten?
Yes, I do.
Key. What do you have key?
Yes, I have.
What do your key do you use?
I use the key to open my motorbike.
Kiwi. Do you like which one? Do you like a kiwi?
Yes, it's very good for my health.
Do you like what color kiwi of you like?
I like yellow kiwi.
Keyboard. Keyboard. What do you use a keyboard?
I use keyboard when I use my computer. And you?
I too.
You use a keyboard to type?
Type
Words.
words.
Okay. Hurry up.
Can. Do you know? Do you? Do you?
Does a country have a king?
Just country Vietnam have king?
No, we don't have.
Yes, long time.
Okay, you can answer. Can you help me to answer this question?
Long time. We have a king of a long time. Long time ago, we have a king.
Ketchup.
Ketchup. Do you have ketchup?
No, I don't have any ketchup.
Yeah.
Yes?
Okay.
Yes, we have. Bob likes ketchup. Okay.
Kite. Do you like playing with kite?
Yeah, I like playing kite.
What do you play kite in your hometown?
Where?
Where do you play kite in?
We play kite.
I play kite in a hometown.
Okay, keep move on.
Kumquat. Do you have kumquat tree?
Yes, I have one. A tiny kumquat tree.
Do you have a kumquat tree for that?
Yes, we often have one kumquat tree for Ted holiday.
Holiday.
Okay, keep move on.
No, yeah. Kangaroo. Do you like kangaroo?
Yes, I like kangaroo.
A little bit.
A little bit. What about you?
I don't like it
Oh, why?
because it can
Speak
bring
louder.
a dog to her home and eat it
Put the dog in the
in a
pouch.
bat and eat it.
Alright.
Duck. Can a duck fly?
Yes. They can.
Kid. Are you a kid?
No, I'm not. I'm a mom.
I am a mom.
I am a mom.
Kiss to your kid. Kiss you every day and you kiss a kid.
Yes, we kiss each other every day. Kick.
Kick. Can you kick ball
Yes, I can.
to Nobita?
Does.
Nobita kick ball well than you?
Better?
Better than you?
Yes, Nobita kicks ball better than me.
So today we finish a class. Bye bye. See you next time.